Hi, welcome to Math 980. I am Gail Polanski and I'm going to be your instructor this semester. I'm super excited to have you here. I just wanted to hop on here real quick and do a quick tutorial to help you make sure that you're navigating Blackboard okay. So when you log into Blackboard, this should be your welcome screen. Welcome to Math 980. And you definitely want to make sure you do the Start Here. So if we go through the Start Here module, in the Start Here module, it gives you everything you need to know to get you started. One particular important thing that I want to point out is this ALEKS. If you click on ALEKS, you will be given the steps on how to get into ALEKS, which is the main software that we're going to be using for this course. And I've given you the class code here that you're going to have to enter in when you're asked to. And I have given you the financial aid code. Now this financial aid code is only good for 2 weeks. So you really need to get that code as soon as you possibly can. You can purchase it directly from the ALEKS website, or it'll come with your book when you purchase your book, depending upon which route you're getting the book. If you have a used book, that's fine. You just have to make sure you get your ALEKS code. This financial aid code is only good for 2 weeks, so you want to get it as soon as possible. Once you've gone through all of this, the majority of our information is going to be under our learning modules. You have the syllabus here. You can click on the syllabus and get our syllabus. The course schedule, if you want to know the basic schedule that we're going to be going through, that'll be under course schedule. Instructor information. This is where you can find out information about me. You're going to learn a little bit about my background, and you have access to when my office hours are going to be and communication with me. The best way to reach me is going to be through email. So I encourage you to send me emails. I try to respond as quickly as possible. So please make sure that you're utilizing that option. But here in our learning modules, this is all of the modules that you're going to be going through. So you're going to click on week 1. This is going to get you started. It's going to go through the introduction. It's going to talk about everything. Taking the initial assessment, this is where you're going to want to do it in ALEKS. So in our introduction, you want to make sure you're reading this. We have a discussion that's going to be regular. We're going to have periodic discussions. So this is going to be part of your discussion board. And then the initial assessment is going to be in ALEKS. So you're going to want to get on ALEKS as soon as you can to get this assessment done. You're welcome to work ahead in ALEKS, as is you're welcome to work ahead within this course as well. Your discussions are going to be over here, so you can just click on whatever your discussions are going to be. Many of our discussions are set up such that you have to post before you can see anybody else's post. So don't be worried if you don't see a post there. Just go in, create a thread, and it'll show you what you're going to do. From there, we have our link to ALEKS. This will take you to the ALEKS software. The Collaborate Ultra, this is where you can come to click to get to our office hours. I have them scheduled, so if you click on that, it'll open up the Collaborate Ultra. It'll show you where my office hours are. You're just going to click into this folder and it'll get you into the office hours. That should get you started, and if you have any questions, remember, email me, jump on Collaborate with me. I'm probably going to be creating a virtual classroom once a week that's going to be optional for you to come in and meet, probably via Zoom, just to ask questions. So I look forward to working with you all this year, and I believe it's going to be a great semester.